Good morning, YouTube. This morning I made the kind of last minute decision to go drag racing. Neighbor guy over there has a Mustang GT 5 liter, I don't know, around a 2019 era, and he's going and kind of asking for help, advice, and then the neighbor that lives right across the street over there will be going later, hopefully early afternoon, because I don't know how long I'm going to stick around. But why not run the Genesis and see what this thing does? 3.3 twin turbo. I hope to maybe hit into the 12.9 or something. That'd be today's goal. I don't know if it's achievable. The weather is okay, but it is a little muggy. Let's find out what we got. Alright, so we're at the track. I'm going up against a looks like a big turbo LS powered 240SX. I've already seen this guy run once. He's going to destroy me. So we'll be able to see what his taillights look like. But we got all-wheel drive. They've not been prepping the track at all today. But I don't need to do a burnout. So we're just going to go past the pit. We're going to run automatic mode and sport mode. Definitely not as fast as the Challenger. That's alright though. That freaking Nissan ran a 913. Woo! That thing's awesome. Let's see what our slip is. Well, I don't know if 12s are in the cards for today, but one thing I'm learning for sure, these don't launch all that great. I'm running my 60 foot was a 2.1, which is not great. Be nice to be under the 2 second for sure. But 13,374 at 104 mile an hour.
Mustang built a new one. Smash that one.
So if I could get a little more mile an hour out of this thing, that would be ideal. I think a little more mile an hour will get me and a better 60 foot, of course, but there ain't really much I can do there. I can try not digging into the launch control as much, but these things stock with launch control do not build boost, which is dumb. So, and not to mention today is not the greatest air, but you know what? I'm not gonna let that disappoint me. Let's let this puppy cool off.
Selling cars, bro.
No, I know. So it's different.
Weren't you pissed?
Nah, at least I know her.
Shit.
We have to work on Rick's staging ability here. Alright, so we're doing the same exact thing, automatic mode. I'm going to We're going to run an automatic mode, sport mode, and we're doing a watching him. So we're automatic, gonna run fully automatic in sport mode, and we're going to I don't know what that dude's doing. Oh, stability and traction control are off, so we should be able to use launch control. I don't know if it's the greatest thing in the world on this. We're running against the new Supra. He's got radials on him, so he might be a little something there. Treat him. See you, buddy. He's catching me on the big end. Might have been a better run, though. Might have been a better run. Thank you, dear.
You're welcome.
Hey, there we go. Got an extra mile an hour out of her. 13.25. My 20 foot was pretty much the same. Slightly better. 1,000 feet. Yeah, I mean, it's a very similar run. I don't think I got another 2/10 in it, but you know, 13.2, I'm pretty happy with that, considering. Oh, these cooled seats are so nice. Let's get all these windows open. Alright, we're gonna let her cool down for another run. Well, here with all the cool kids. Got hoods up, cooling off. I don't know what Rick ran on his last run. He was a few vehicles in front of me. Got a Subaru here. What's that guy? Scat Pack right over there. He's been running pretty decent, I think. And then that Mustang there. It's a Transformer style build. Pretty cool Mustang, actually. He's having a good time. He's running a pretty damn good mile an hour. I mean, that's what I like about this. He's built it to how he wants it to look, and he's just freaking driving it and enjoying it. Hell yeah. It's awesome. Let's go see what other cool things are here. Now it looks like the staging lanes are slimming out. Definitely, as the day goes on, people kind of head out. There's a lot more Challengers there this time. When I was here last year, there wasn't that many Hellcats. Check this thing out, though. It's a Porsche transmission. I think he said it was out of a Boxer. It's a freaking cool car. Is that back to the 80s this year? I think I remember seeing it online, posted up. Thing's awesome. See, all the Drake stuff is cool, but I like the street cars. I like the neat old street cars. Heck, even these gasser type things are awesome too. See if we can get up there and get a few more videos before we pack her in. Rick is staged now. Yeah, he definitely. I think of like I think that's a Q5, maybe even smaller. Man, it's a lot of trust in that thing. Got a demon over here. He hit 999. I don't know if they tell him he's done or not, but he's been letting off at the end of the track. And the last run that I saw him make, he hit the 9s, so he might be done. Very cool. Very, very cool. I love that green too. Two awesome Challengers right there. This 240 that's going out there is pretty awesome too. This is the guy I ran the first time. Just destroyed me. But I mean, no surprise there. today was a good day. Today was a very good day. I went drag racing. It didn't rain. It didn't break anything. That's all very good stuff. I didn't quite hit my goal, but maybe my goal was unrealistic. I don't know. I think in the right weather, the right air conditions, this car has a couple more tenths left in it. My best time of the day was a 13.2. I don't remember whatever. It was 13.2 at like 105. That was my best time, my best ET, my best trap speed of the day, everything. I did 2 runs after that. My GoPro died, so I couldn't get those on film. But the next run was a 13.3 at 104. So super consistent car. And then my last run of the day, I figured, I'm going to try to do one without launch control, because the launch control on this I always thought was kind of soft. My best run was definitely the best launch I had, which I was not in launch control for very long. So I figured, well, maybe without launch control it'd be even better. And that was my worst run of the day. Of course, I was back-to-back runs too, so there might have been a little bit of heat soak. Coolant temperature looked good, the oil temperature looked good, but it might have been a little heat soaked as well. But all my time that I lost, which was 4 tenths down, that was all because I was down at least 2 tenths, a little bit over 2 tenths at the launch. And I always say 1 tenth is worth 2, in your 60 foot. So 1 tenth in 60 foot is worth 2 tenths on the big end. But hey, car runs low 13s. Very much a street setup. I didn't do anything. Heck, I didn't clean it out. I mean, this is weight. This is a full tank of gas. This is, as accurate as it could be to what it would run on the street. I didn't do burnouts because this is all-wheel drive. So I think it's still a success. It'd be nice to be get a 12.9 time slip, but you know what? Maybe I'll try again. So, little unorthodox from the videos that I have been doing lately. I have a lot of interest when it comes to motorcycles and ATVs and then the car stuff. And my channel reflects that. And I am trying to grow this channel, and I understand that maybe not every audience member that clicks on, let's say, this video might like my other ones. But if you like it all, what you see, and you got similar interests as me, please like and subscribe. Give me some feedback. I'm just the average dude doing stuff, when he has time and getting it out there. I don't have some crazy life that no one else can, that only people can dream of. I'm a very average dude. So, but if you like what you see, if you can relate, if you got anything, comment-wise or whatever, let me know. Love to hear from you guys, and I appreciate you watching, especially if you're watching all the way to the end here. So anyway, we're gonna head home, but we'll see you guys in another video.